interns, Gabe and Kate. So what do you guys think about this day of the Perma BLITZ?
I had a lot of fun learning from people and hanging out,
Yeah.
eating good food, seeing how things are done, and getting to do it.
Wonderful.
It's the first time doing anything like this, so I really enjoyed it.
Have you learned anything about permaculture, Gabe?
Just barely now, mostly.
Yes.
Soil health is critical,
It is, isn't it?
so
It really is. You got that right.
I'm not sure I can speak about any details, but the main idea is there.
Cool. And what do you think about this whole experience, the machines and putting logs in the ground and manure?
It's really fun getting a community together to do this.
It is, isn't it?
Share some time and share the work.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
And our permaculture expert here.
Oh,
Does she know her stuff? She knows about regenerative agriculture.
Yeah, I do know a little about that.
She does. Tell us more.
Like about anything specifically. I mean, I guess this makes a lot of sense. I've never been on a project like this before. I really have learned a lot today, and this is, it's cool to see how like just imitating natural processes, can really like kickstart a garden or a yard or an ecosystem, create any and all of those things. And yeah, it's just it's strategic, and it's fun to figure it out and to see how all the moving parts work together to create something that's really beautiful like that.
And you've seen my food forest a little bit.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's
5 years
incredible.
from now, that'll look like that here.
Yeah.
Plus horses with foraging bushes and trees for them to
Yeah.
eat and move
Chickens
from
and kitties
paddock
and doggies.
and goats and everything.
Goats, yeah.
Won't that be beautiful? They'll
be
have a
great.
beautiful pond that we're going to put some nice water plants that are edible as well.
Wow.
Yeah, it's going to be really exciting to see this forest evolve. It
Yeah.
really is.
Yeah, it'll be great.
And you're going to come and do an internship this summer at the school, and
Yes.
you're very passionate like me about saving the planet
the most
and
important
getting
thing.
out to teach the kids about it, We
Yeah.
really want to do that.
And the adults.
And the adults too. But I want to do a survival summer camp for the youth. I want to teach youth about nature so they understand how the planet works. I think they'll make much better decisions. See, the cats are not
let her have her
supposed to be
fun.
out here, so let's shut the cat in there. That's our big guy. That's the big guy. He was chowing on the chicken.
That's Oliver.
So did you get the chloroform okay?
Company. I don't have any. Yeah. To go get it. Bro, he doesn't have any money.
Well, I got money. Here, let me,
Austin right there.
I'll get you some money. You sure?
He was already out running around.
Okay, so has he got money?
Huh?
Has he got money to go get
He
it?
has no money. That's why he didn't pick it up.
Oh,
We have enough logs to do one more.
okay.
Which one we want to do
Doesn't matter. No, it doesn't matter. But do you need some cash? I brought some cash.
No, I have cash too. He just didn't
Okay.
have the time.
Oh, darn.
Nathan says he has some at the shop. Do you want to just run over there? Or do you want me to run over there?
Is this the bad one?
Yeah,
Well, why aren't we just keeping her still in there?
because Jennifer asked me to hold it.
Okay, but we
She's
gotta
on a
keep her
heat thing.
still.
There's not one of those.
We gotta keep her still.
See, she's on a
Yeah.
heat disc.
We,
Feel it.
we
It's
gotta
hot.
keep her still though and not move her around. Because that's what hurts if you have broken bones.
Yeah.
You don't want to move them at all. You keep them perfectly still. And let her sleep. And either she'll go on her own until we can, let her go to heaven. Oh, the poor little thing. That's so sad.
Hey David, do you want one of us to go, or do you want to go?
Trying to like I've mapped out our whole property
Okay.
and drawn it to scale.
Yeah, we had fun
Finding
doing
the
that.
contour lines.
We had fun.
Yeah, I actually built one of those little A things. with
The
a little-
A-frame.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To find the contours so I can draw those on the.
Oh,
the
cool.
plan.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm excited to get it all planned out and then decide.
Did we get our contour lines yet?
See, the tricky thing is with
Yes.
that A-frame,
Yes.
the ground is kind of like this all over because
Okay.
of the wood chips. So I've started leveling out the wood chips
Perfect.
now and kind of.
Work it out.
And you know what? It's
I wish I could loan you my long metal pick. My landscaper taught me this. And we put a level on it, and we use the level on a
the
pick.
2x4, right?
You can, because you want something heavy that's flat, and then push it down.
You can drag it.
Yeah.
So even though it's going like this, at least it's across,
Uh-huh.
so we can find level.
Yeah.
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 If we could do that,
Yeah, if
see
you,
what
if
you can
want
do.
to help, we can get our content info from Denise,
Yeah.
and we can come help.
Oh, that would be cool.
Is there going to be
Yeah, we're
coming
usually-
over to
we're
learn?
usually free on weekends too, so
And they're going
we're
to
trying to learn by like
Yeah, by
actively
doing it.
stuff. And if you're close by, that's
So we'll do it.
perfect.
Yeah.
Because this will be, you know, this takes more planning, having to come out here and all that. But
Yeah.
let's go, wow,
Okay.